Hello, this is Harry. Welcome again to a senior's perspective with a twist. Going to be showing another piece of jewelry. This is a unsigned heavy brown metal necklace. Now, to be more specific, I did look this up. This is a vintage brass dimensional oak leaf. See those leaves? Flowers, oak leaf flowers, long bolo slide tassel necklace. And here's what we mean by slide. It slides on this all the way down to the tassels. Let me get them hanging like they're supposed to. They would be hanging like this. If I have it even, there we go. So this is a nice piece of jewelry. I looked it up on eBay, and it was selling for one exactly like it, $145. Remember now, this is brass, and look at the workmanship, the flowers, how it's open, look almost like a poppy seed or something, and then you see the leaves, and then on the back side, to show you, there's nothing marked there. And I did check it closely. I checked the tassels, and I did not find anything written on the tassels. And it tassels seems like it's got flowers at the end here as well, a bulb, and then the flower opening up, and then the tassel at the end. This is a nice piece of jewelry, as I said. You would wear that sort of like Western style with the tassel, bolo. So that's what I wanted to show in this particular video. This piece of jewelry. Okay. Let's see. I have one more, and that is I have a watch. This is not marked. Let me open it. Bought these items years ago. What it does have on it, let's see, there's my magnifier. It has the word quartz on it. And I mean, I went up and down to try to find. It's got a lot of numbers on it, sets of numbers. It has the clock numbers, and then it's got, like at 3 o'clock, if you look closely, you'll see 15 behind the 3, on the right side of the 3. If you go down to the 6, it appears to be 18. So there's 2 sets of numbers. I'm not sure what the second set represent. But this is a nice piece. It opens and closes, but again, it's not signed. And someone, I doubt that it came with this, but in order to, I guess, to hook onto a belt, maybe, or or a vest, hook inside, I don't know, on the outside. But this is a chain that it came with. Looks like it's probably stainless steel. And again, it is not marked. Couldn't find anything on it. But it does pop open. I don't even know if it works. I don't think it works. So this is something I bought probably $5 or less years ago. Didn't work. Some people work on watches. That's not me. I have a few more, but notice one side is decorated, and then the other side sort of plain. So that's what I wanted to show on this video. Those two items: the Bolo necklace and the watch, pocket watch. I say thank you for watching. If you have any comments, I welcome them. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I ask that you would. Thank you and have a good day.